Hello guys, thank you for clicking on this video. I'm going to quickly I'm going to make a series of videos where I'll be going over mobile devices, and this will be part of my series of videos on computer fundamentals. So the first module or the first set of videos will be on mobile devices, so starting with laptops. So today, this video, I'm going to go over external laptop uh, autonomy, and basically I'll be talking about like how laptops look. I'm saying how to what is what is what are a laptop. I'm saying that the different things that are integrated into a laptop, like a webcam, touchpad, keyboard, and all that stuff. So let's get started. So laptop hardware be can vary. So it comes in the motherboards on laptops have different form factors, and then each laptop brand, like you have different laptop brands, depending on the size of the laptop, they'll have a different type of motherboard inside, along with power supplies. I'm saying, so depending on, I'm saying, again, the size of the laptop and other components, I'm saying, the power supply will depend on that as well, like how much power it will need. And another thing that how laptops differ from desktop computers is the consumer product lines. Like, for example, computers, laptops made for home use, generally, um, they all the new components are like, for example, as you see over here, the motherboard. This is like one example of how a motherboard looks like. So this is laptop broken down. So what I was talking about is like the line of laptops made for personal use incorporate like all the latest technology, like fingerprint technology, biometric scanners, and so on and so forth. Whereas laptops geared towards business use are generally they change less over time. So that means they won't change that often, but they would because the reason for that is because if you have, let's just say, you running a piece of software, and this piece of software requires you to have a specific type of hardware, say, in order for you to run this software. So generally, business laptops made for business use don't have all the latest technology installed or integrated in them, so due to that reason. Um, and so what what is meant when someone says laptop? Yeah, what do they mean? They mean small mobile computer which has a physical keyboard and the ability to run on a battery power, saying, and the ability to run a desktop operating system. And depending on what type of laptop it is, it can have a touch screen, or it can just be just a normal screen like you see on the screen over there. It can range in size from netbooks, small with compact keyboards and which are the desktop replacements, or large with full set of features and ports. Again, like you see over here, you can have like different types of laptops. Like, this is an older laptop design, and as you can see, there's different ports and stuff. And I'm seeing over here, so it all varies. So there's a whole array of different laptop layouts that exist. You know, yeah, features different designs, different options, different, I'm saying, uh, ports, what have you. So very so, but generally, like as you can see on the outside of it, let me just go on one of these pictures of a laptop. Let's go on this one. See across the top over here, yeah. You normally have a webcam. I'm saying, I don't know if you can see it very well in this image, but you have a webcam over here. You have the Wi-Fi antenna somewhere installed at the top of the screen. This is because this is the highest point, I'm saying, of the laptop. So then generally manufacturers will install a Wi-Fi card, or Wi-Fi antenna will be, connected somewhere over here. Then there's a touchpad, keyboard. That then you have touchpad, keyboard, and then also the LCD screen, which I'm going to go into more detail on what LCD is, etc. In a coming video. So most of the outer casing of laptops are made out of plastic, and quite flimsy. I'm saying they're not the best plastic in the world. I'm saying so they break easily, especially these neo laptops. But you have to, they've slimmed down the laptops, so that's the giveaway. Like I'm saying, you before they used to have like chunkier laptops. I'm saying bigger laptops, and they were quite well built. These new ones are quite. I'm saying they break down easily, like they break easily and stuff. So on the side, I'm saying you generally have. See if I can see a picture. Okay, on the side, on the main external components, let's talk about those. So generally on the left hand side, you have an Ethernet port, you have a HDMI port, then you have on the left hand side, you have Ethernet port, the vent space for the air to flow in and out of, HDMI port, USB port, and a card reader. On the right hand side, you generally have the audio jack, I'm saying, the couple of USB ports, I'm saying. So, and also on the left hand side, what you also find is it's the AC or DC adapter charger, plug in the charger. And then you also have a cable lock as well on the right hand side. Yeah. And on the back, you usually have these new laptops that you see. The laptop batteries is placed right inside the laptop. The older ones used to have a latch, but you could press and it will release the battery in the back cover as well. But these new ones have the battery fixed into them, if that makes sense. I'm saying, and usually, once you pop up on the back cover, you can have access to the hard drive. You can replace the hard drive if you want to. If you wanted to, you can replace a Bluetooth card, the Wi-Fi card. And I'm saying, keyboard, speakers, access to install more RAM if you wanted to. So basically, that's what it was. And I'm saying, I wanted to make a quick video on that. So I'll be making more videos. And thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and I'll really appreciate that. I'm saying to hear some feedback from you. And yeah, I'm saying thank you again. Thank you. Bye. Bye.